In this first scenario, let's say you have made some stitches and maybe you're not that satisfied with them, or maybe you've lost count of them, but what you do know is that you have successfully put your stitch marker in the first stitch of round 2. In that case, your job's a little easier. All you have to do is undo your stitches until you get to that point, which means you want to make sure that you preserve this V. When you take out your stitches, you don't want to go past this, because this is the first stitch of round 2. So to prevent yourself from accidentally taking that out, hold on to that stitch and then pull on the working yarn, which is the yarn that is attached to the yarn ball, slowly, and watch how the yarn comes out of one stitch one by one. So now it's out of one stitch, and let me show you real slow what it looks like when you undo a stitch. When it goes through and comes out of that first loop, you're actually left with 2 loops. So you're not completely done with taking out the stitch yet. You need to keep on pulling so that you only have this 1 loop left, and that represents that you've cleanly taken out an entire stitch. So we got 1 more stitch to take out. So here we go. Pull it out slowly so you don't lose track. And see, I've got 2 loops right now. I need to keep on pulling on the working yarn to get rid of that loop. To have only 1 loop left, that 1 loop is connected to the stitch that's connected to my stitch marker, so I don't want to take that out.